My name's Natasha, and I live in Newport, Oregon. The best thing about Newport is its vibe. It has a really good, chill, relaxed vibe that everyone kind of feels connected over. I'm feeling pretty good. I just smoked a bowl. I usually wake up and have a bowl for breakfast, but sometimes I make a green salad. I sell cars. I'm a car saleswoman. Well, I don't like to say salesperson. We say that we're sales consultants. We don't like to sell to people, we like to consult them. I think what gives me the most pleasure in life is making other people happy. Like, I think that's the only thing I can get really, really excited about is surprising someone. Like, it doesn't matter like what I have to do to get there. Like, I want them to be so surprised that I did that for them. Hardest time of my life. That would have to be when my mom died. Which was April 8th of this year, so it wasn't too long ago. She was on hospice for 7 months, so we knew it was coming. And I got to spend the very last month of her life with her. So I got to take care of her for a whole month. And that was probably the most sobering and enjoyable month of my life. She got diagnosed with cancer 4 years ago. Sorry. So this is a story about this purse. I bought it when I was really, really young, and it was a really proud thing for me to buy it. And when I came home, my mom really liked it, and she wasn't really a girly person who carried purses around, but she kept telling me things here and there that made me think she really liked it. So I ended up gifting it to her, and she has kept it with her up until the day that she died. And what I thought was really cool, that a long time ago we did a photo booth together, and I lost my strip of photos, but I found her strip in her purse, and she's been carrying it around with her ever since we did that. Something I want to give back to this world is a perspective of being content with your life. I want everyone to realize that they can be happy no matter what. Like, I lost my mom, but I know that I'm gonna have such a good life, and I'm
I'm gonna change other people's lives. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I think just being a good influence is good.